Hello everyone. In this part 4th of straight lines, I'll explain you about the equations of a line in various forms. So let's start with the equation of a line in intercept form. What is the meaning of this thing? Let us suppose we have this line which is making a intercept on x-axis. What is the meaning of intercept? Length of the line from the origin on x-axis, and B intercept on y-axis. Then the equation of this line is given by x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. Now how is it coming? Look at this thing. Let us suppose this is the a point, this is the b point. Because this distance is a, therefore coordinates is a0. This distance is b, therefore coordinate of b is 0b. Now we can say we have 2 points, therefore equation of line AB by 2 points form is y minus y1 0 is equals to y2 minus y1 b minus 0 upon x2 minus x1 0 minus a x minus x1 a. Now y is equals to b upon minus a, this is x minus a, cross multiplication, minus ay is equals to xb minus ab, shift ab this side, and in double implies xb plus ay is equals to, what is this thing, ab, divide by ab both side, it means x upon a is equal plus y upon b is equals to 1. That is why this is given intercept form, x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. Now equation of a line in slope intercept form. What is the meaning of this thing? Let us suppose we have a line in which the slope m is given and the line cuts the y-axis at a distance c from the origin. Now look at this thing. We have this line. We have to find out the equation of this line whose slope is m, and from origin it is cutting c intercept on y-axis. Now we have, for this line L, suppose a is this point, then the coordinate of a will be 0, c. Therefore this is the slope and this is the point. By slope point form, equation of line is given by y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. It means y is equals to mx plus c. Now this is the form of the equation of a line in slope intercept form. Now look at this thing. If c is 0, it means y is equals to mx. It means if line is passing through the origin, then the equation of line is given by y is equals to mx. So these forms are very important. Now on the basis of this, we will solve some questions. Look at this thing. In question number 1a part, find the equation of a straight line which passes through the point 1 minus 2 and cut off equal intercept from axis. So in this question, let equation of line be x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. Now according to the question, what is given? A is equals to b. So let us suppose this is the first equation. Therefore from equation 1 we have x upon a plus y upon a is equals to 1. It implies that x plus y is equals to a after taking LCM. Now they are saying that the line which passes, the straight line which passes through the point 1 minus 2. Now we will say because 1 minus 2 lies on equation 2, therefore x, substitute x is equals to 1 and y is equals to minus 2 is equals to a. It implies that a is equals to minus 1. Therefore equation of line from equation 2 is equals to x plus y is equals to minus 1. It means x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0. And this is the answer. Now B part. What they are saying in this question, the intercepts cuts of a line by a line from y-axis is twice than that from x-axis. Now, same way, let equation of line be x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. Now, intercept cuts off by a line from y-axis is twice that of from x-axis. Therefore, according to the question, b is equals to 2 times of a. Therefore, we have equation of line is equals to x upon a plus y upon 2a is equals to 1. It implies that after taking LCM, LCM is 2a. It means what this become 2x plus y is equals to 1. It means 2x plus y is equals to 2a. This is the equation number 1. Now what they are saying? They are saying 1, 2. Line passes through the point 1, 2. Now because line passes through the point 1, 2, you will say because 1, 2 lies on equation 1. Therefore, we have substitute x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2. It means what this become 2 plus 2 is equals to 2a. It implies that a is equals to what this become 2. Therefore, equation of line from equation 1 is what this become 2x plus y is equals to 4, and this is the answer. Now let's start with the solution of this C part. Now in this C part we have to solve, and the question is given PAB is the midpoint of a line segment between the axes. Show that the equation of the line is x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 2. Now because PAB is the midpoint of the line is already given, so first of all we will say let equation of line be x upon h plus y upon k is equals to 1. Why we are taking? Because B PAB midpoint is already given. So let us suppose this is the line, this is the P point which is the midpoint of this line, and equation of this line is x upon h plus y upon k is equals to 1. So this is the equation number 1. Now first of all you will say according to this equation, intercept cut on x-axis B h. Therefore coordinates of A is, what is the coordinates of point A is h0. So this is the h0. Similarly you can say that coordinates of B is, what is the coordinate of B is 0k. Therefore this is the coordinate of B which is 0k. Now because P is the midpoint of AB, therefore coordinates of P by midpoint formula, coordinates of P, what will be coordinates of P? H by 2, and this is k by 2, but already given coordinates of P is, what is this thing? AB. On equating, it implies that h upon 2 is equals to a. It implies that h is equals to 2a. Similarly, k upon 2 is equals to b. It means k is equals to 2b. Therefore, from equation 1, equation of line is, what is this? X upon 2a plus y upon 2b is equals to 1. It implies that x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 2, and this is the answer. Now in this D part, what they are saying, write the equation of line for which tan theta is equals to root 3. It means m is equals to tan theta, which is root 3, and where theta is the inclination and y-intercept is minus 3 by 2. It means c is minus 3 by 2. Therefore equation of line by this rule, y is equals to mx plus c, m is root 3. Now y is equals to root 3x plus c, it means minus 3 by 2. After taking LCM, 2y is equals to 2 root 3x and minus 3. So this is the way to solve this question, and this is the answer, that 2 root 3x minus 2y is equals to 3. So in this way we have to do the questions related to this explanation. Don't forget to give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.